What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today we're going to go over the backpack I use for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and why I think you should get it yourself. But before we begin, if you guys can give this video a like and subscribe, that'd be great. And now let's begin. One of the reasons as to why I bought it is because of the price. At the time I bought it, it was only $35 on Amazon. Right now the prices are a little bit higher, around $80, but you may still be able to find a good deal on it. When you get this bag, you'll notice how small it is, which is a good thing because when you travel, you can put it up in the compartment of the airplane or even below the seat and it'll fit nice and snug. This bag offers quite a bit of space, so let's get into what I carry in mine and let's go from there. Alright, so here's the bag itself. You got a nice hard casing right here on the front to protect your drone. On the side you have a part for your water bottle. Really nice padding on the back. It feels really comfortable on your back when you're wearing it. Right here, which is a very nice feature, you can put your iPhone right there. You got another compartment for a water bottle right there on the side. Right here on top you have just a little compartment. You can put whatever you want in there, and just a little space right there. Right here in the back, they give you a nice little compartment right here for a tablet. They also added a nice H2O opening right here for your Camelback or whatever system you use for water. So now let's get into the main compartment here. And there we go. So up top right here, all I have right now is just a few SD cards, my registration for the drone, and my pilot's license. This can also come off if you needed it to. And for the size of this case offers a lot of great space, and it has a lot of great dividers so you can divide everything up evenly. So right here at the top you have your spot for the controller. Fits nicely in between these cushions. In the middle, of course, you have your DJI drone, and again it fits very nicely right in there. Put it right back and you got a nice strap to go across. And more towards the bottom right here you got two spots. I believe they come even with more dividers so you can put extra batteries in there. And I had an extra spot, so I just put my wall charger there. And again, up top right here you even have more room, which this spot is also accessed from the top right here. So in here I have a car charger, and this car charger comes with two charging ports, so I'm gonna link this below because this thing is great if you're on road trips. And I have extra blades because, well, this happened, so I carry those with me just in case. And if we access it from the top right here, I also have ND filters just in case on those bright sunny days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video.